Let me congratulate you, Parade Commander, and the officers and the young men and women of the St. Thomas's High School Cadet Corps for an outstanding turnout and a magnificent parade this afternoon. I know it's not easy to demonstrate such a fine performance in drill as you have displayed to me this afternoon, and not only to me, but more importantly to your parents and your teachers and your friends who are here this afternoon. Given that I've also had similar experiences, particularly during my younger days, and it's not easy to be standing out there and to be able to display a show of oneness and uniqueness, and to turn out the way you are. You deserve the warmest of our congratulations, and for a very, very fine performance. I thank the principal and the staff of St. Thomas's High School for the invitation for me to review your Cadet Corps Passing Out Parade for the year 2013. And as I've said, I'm touched, and I want to congratulate you once again for this fine display that we have all witnessed this afternoon. But I'm sure the principal and the teachers and those instructors who have mentored you during the last few days would have told you that this show or demonstration that you've shown us in the last 1 hour is something that is not an end unto itself. The values that are instilled through the training of the Cadet Corps is supposed to build you into a holistic person. And this holistic person is what Catholic education aspires to, in molding the character of an individual to make him a better person. A better person not only in schoolwork or in the achievements of academic life, but more importantly, to be a good person displaying the very sense of uniqueness for which a human person is born or created. And I understand that this is not the first time you would have heard. And at St. Thomas's High School, a Catholic school in the Archdiocese of Suva, I'm sure these are values that would have been instilled in you, whether you're Catholic or not, and when you come to St. Thomas's High School. But more importantly also, these values that you have acquired in these last few weeks, in your drilling, in your molding, these are aspects of a disciplined life, a life of someone particularly in the uniform similar to what you're wearing. But they're not for soldiers alone, or prison officers, or the police, or the Navy, or the National Fire Brigade. The value of discipline is something that we can all practice and do, and this helps us to live a good and a better life, particularly a fruitful life. And I hope that these values instilled within this discipline, particularly in attentiveness, in hard work, in teamwork, in obedience, these are things that you will carry forward with you, not only from this parade, but from the lessons that you have learned in your preparations for this Cadet Pass-Out Parade. You will take that into your academic work, which is the sole and whole purpose of you attending school. It is good to turn out in fine uniform, but it's even better to get good marks. Because good marks are what that will take you And for you to get good marks, you need to be a good person. You need to have good values. You need to be disciplined. You need to be obedient. You need to be obedient not only at school, but also to your parents. These are values that the Cadet Corps instills, and I hope that these are things that you will take with you. At the end of this parade, as you go forward, you're halfway through the school year, and I know your teachers and your parents only want the best of you. And this cadet training course will help you in that regard. You have a great school here in St. Thomas's High School. You have a great motto in proclaiming your faith. And I think I'll take you one step further. I think you all need to live your own faith. Whatever you believe in. And I'm sure that in the last few weeks during your cadet training, your faith would have been a little bit more deepened in terms of your discipline, not only in your physical life, but also in your spiritual life and in your own personal development as a human person. So I would like to congratulate you all once again for a very fine performance and display today. I know it's only your second year, but it's like you're already in your first decade of your cadet training. And I hope that in the few years to come, you will continue to display a magnificent performance, not only here on the parade ground, but also in the whole week of your cadet training leading into your schoolwork. I thank Brother Sahai and his staff for guiding the whole week of your training and leading to such a fine performance today. I thank your teachers. I thank the support of your parents. And I thank also those instructors that have helped you for such a magnificent turnout today. I wish you well for the rest of your school year. I hope that the discipline that you have acquired will help you attain a fine performance in your academic work. And I hope that as you leave, particularly your seventh formers, as you leave St. Thomas's High School, that you will take out with you into the world those values that you have acquired through this cadet training. So once again, thank you very much, Parade Commander and members of the St. Thomas's High School Cadet Corps for a very fine performance and a good turnout this afternoon. Good night.